Hey Wealth Builders, as Wealth Builders, we're always looking for truth. And that is why I wanted to bring up why tax the rich is such a dumb statement. Fact number one, the top 10% of income earners in the United States pay 90% of the federal taxes. 90%. That's hardly fair. Now, should it be 100% equal among every citizen? Probably not. But 90% of the tax base is paid by the top 10% of income earners, i.e. the rich. Number two, the rich are also the number one employment creator in the United States. So if you tax the rich, they're not going to be able to employ as many people. Number three, a lot of people seem to think that the rich are just sitting on big piles of money, smoking cigars and laughing their heads off. This is also not true. The rich are invested in the industry and assets that are creating our economy. So if you go and start taxing the rich, for example, a lot of your 401ks and retirement accounts will plummet. Is that what you want to have happen? The reason that'll happen is the rich will have to sell off assets, liquidating them around tax time, and that will create a drop in the price, which will create a drop in the price of the asset, which will affect retirement accounts for everybody with retirement accounts. Number four, I know a lot of you communists and socialists out there will say, but Aaron, in the 50s and 60s, the highest corporate tax rate was 92%, and that didn't collapse anything. Not true. If you look back at the last 100+ years of tax revenue collected by the federal government, no matter what the tax rate stated is, you know what the average collection rate is with only a variance of about 1%? It's 17%. You've got to remember, rich people are people too. They have families that they want to return home to. They have time and only so many heartbeats that they can spend on this planet. 17% when the tax rate was 90%, when the tax rate is 5%, it doesn't matter. People will coordinate their efforts and income, and it seems like an acceptable level. I would say that taxes are unconstitutional anyways, but that's another post. They always settle at 17%. So if you work hard and create more productivity, you're going to stop when you hit that 17% mark on average. It's vary between 16 and 18, but it's always right around that 17. People are people no matter what their income levels. We should all treat each other well, with respect, and let's be truthful. The first step in building wealth is truth. And the truth is the rich pay more than their fair share of taxes. Now, they have the ability to, so you could argue that that's fair, but let's start with the truth that they already pay more than their fair share. The more you know, the more wealth you'll grow. Take care. Stay strong.